Modi is now silent inspector. He is now mute. What kinds of leader he is? The government of India should not be biased in this critique, and so government of India should try to solve this crisis. This crisis is designed by the government of India, so we condemn the government of
Violence in Manipur continued to escalate on Monday, with one protester killed and 6 others dying in separate incidents, as clashes between security forces and civilians intensified. The unrest has forced the imposition of curfews and internet shutdowns across several districts, including Imphal East and West, amid growing concerns about public order. Manipur's Kuki organizations announced plans for a coffin rally in Churachandpur on Tuesday to honor and express solidarity with the 10 Kuki youths who lost their lives in an alleged confrontation with CRPF in Manipur's Jirebam district. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi on Monday launched an attack on Union Home Minister Amit Shah and Prime Minister Narendra Modi over fresh violence in Manipur and alleged that vested interests were at play. Addressing a press conference in Ranchi, Rahul Gandhi alleged that the Union Home Minister was not taking an interest in containing Manipur violence. Gandhi claimed that Bharatiya Janata Party people spread hatred, which is why aag lagti hai. Meanwhile, Union Home Minister Amit Shah convened a high-level meeting with senior officials in the national capital and assessed the security situation in Manipur. Amit Shah has reportedly directed security officials to focus on restoring peace and order in Manipur as soon as possible. The center has decided to send an additional 50 CRPF companies comprising more than 5,000 personnel to Manipur in view of the challenging security and law and order situation. Bureau report, The Ultimate खबर.
मणिपुर में जो हो रहा है पूरे देश को मालूम है। 1.5 साल हो गए मणिपुर हिंदुस्तान का स्टेट है, मगर प्रधानमंत्री आज तक मणिपुर नहीं गए। और मणिपुर में मैं गया हूं, मैंने अपनी आंखों से जो हो रहा है देखा है। हमारी पूरी सपोर्ट है। हमने सरकार को कहा है कि जल्दी से जल्दी हिंसा को बंद कीजिए, मगर नहीं हो रहा है। और इसमें वेस्टेड इंटरेस्ट किसी का तो है। होम मिनिस्टर जी को अपना काम करना चाहिए, मगर किसी ना किसी कारण होम मिनिस्टर अपने काम में इंटरेस्ट नहीं ले रहे हैं। मगर जो मणिपुर में हो रहा है पूरा देश जानता है, बिल्कुल गलत हो रहा है और हिंसा को एकदम वहां पे बंद होना चाहिए। और एक बार फिर शांति आनी चाहिए। और जो मैंने कहा भारत जोड़ो यात्रा में, जो मैंने कहा 4000 किलोमीटर हम चले, कन्याकुमारी से कश्मीर, नफरत के बाजार में मोहब्बत की दुकान। हमने मैसेज दिया कि अगर आप नफरत फैलाओगे तो आग लगेगी। और बीजेपी के लोगों ने नफरत फैलाई है और इसीलिए आग लगती है। आग को सिर्फ कांग्रेस पार्टी मिटा सकती है, क्योंकि हम मोहब्बत की बात करते हैं, भाईचारे की बात करते हैं और हम नफरत को मिटाते हैं।
Rally is organized by 4 organizations, including 2 women's organizations, namely All Manipur United Clubs Organization, Amuko, Poire Limbro Marapaibi, Apunba Manipur, a women's organization, and All Manipur Women's Voluntary Association. This is also women's organization, and students, one student organization, namely All Manipuri Student Federation. This rally is against the imposition of the APASPA in 6 police stations very recently. The government of India is trying to obliterate, to extinguish the Manipur since many years back by by imposing APSPA and other draconian laws. So we have been opposing such draconian laws since many years back. Very recently, the Government of India imposed APSPA in 6 police stations jurisdiction, and merciless killing of the 6 civilians, including the 3 children in Jiribam district, Jakurador area. This is a very condemnable one, but Government of India is now a silent spectator on that matter. In the last some months ahead, 2 women were naked paraded by the Meitei youth. At that time, Mr. Narendra Modi spoke something regarding that matter, but by killing such 6 or many civilians by the Kokizo militia at that time, Mr. Narendra Modi is now silent inspector. He is now mute. What kinds of leader he is? This is our question. So the Government of India should not be biased in this critique, and so Government of India should try to solve this crisis. This crisis is designed by the Government of India, so we condemn the Government of India. Government of India should not try to obligate the Manipur. This is our message.